Welcome to the Mermaid with the rotation move. So you can see we're sitting in the mermaid position. If you find that your hips won't allow this, you can always place your legs out in front and we'll just do the move without the hip stretch. You can also, if you need to, place yourself on a cushion just to prop yourself a little bit higher to take the strain out of the hips. So tailbone anchored to the floor, top of the head pinned to the roof, shoulders stable, core engaged. We'll start with the basic mermaid move. So breath in, prepare, breathe out, and lengthen your top side, reaching away from the legs. Pull in through the lower side to create the curve. Breath into center. And we keep repeating. Just check that both hips are super glued to the floor. And we grow taller every time. So not letting the hip pop, but really pushing it down into the floor. And working those muscles through your sides. Lengthening one side and really pulling in through the other. Now, if we're ready, we can add the twist as well, or the rotation. So we perform the basic mermaid and now hold it here. So as we breathe in, we're going to rotate the bottom rib under, still keeping the neck long and the arm high. Breathe out, rotate top rib backwards, and then we can breath in to center, ready to go again. Mermaid, rotate under, rotate out, back to center. Add it to your breathing, the breath out, in, out, and in. Then keep it flowing smoothly. All the hips glued to the floor. Spin your rib cage as you do the rotation. Really work with the bottom rib. So it pulls under, and then the top rib pulls back. The taller you make yourself, lengthen your spine, the easier the rotation will be. And we only take it as far as you feel comfortable. We're not aiming for any sharp pains. We're just going for a nice gentle movement. Always holding that perfect posture, keeping the core engaged. Never forgetting pelvic floor TVA. And we work until we feel that we've really got the nice rotation going. Our muscles have loosened up. And that we've felt the strength through the core and the energy through the body. We release at the end. So you probably want about 10 of these, a little less, a little more, depending on how it's feeling for you on the day. Once we've done this, we release our legs, swap them to the other side, and complete the whole exercise again. So setting up perfectly, and then you can either do your gentle mermaid to warm up, and then when you're ready, add the rotation as well. So just make sure that you do exactly the same number of reps on this side as you did on the first side. Please remember, obviously, if the hips won't do it, keep the legs to the front, sit on a cushion, or even work on a chair or in a standing position if you need to.